today we're back in another video. Today, I have I built a Lego fire alarm that took completely half an hour to build. So, let's go ahead and set it off. It will not make any noise, which is disappointing. Still, I love this fire alarm. So 3, 2, 1. It's really hard to break the glass open. Fake glass. Oh, okay. Alright guys, so let's try this again. So 3, 2, 1. Oh, please don't break. Okay, that was unexpected. Oh yeah, this thing comes with a key too. See? So, let's do it. So hard. Okay, this time I did not break anything. So, unless it's the fake glass. So, now it should look like this. Of course. So, let's press the button, which would set off the fire alarm if this was actually connected. Which it will never be, because I already have my own fire alarms, of course. So, this is a key on the side. We're gonna for this key, you're gonna put it like this. So you're gonna put it in this little slot, turn it, and then put it in the key slot and take it out. And then that's how you reset my fire alarm. So let me replace the glass. Fake glass. Alright guys, I replaced the fake glass. And so thank you for watching my video. Bye.